everyone. Welcome to Artistic Pours and More with Jeannie Marie. And today I am doing another pasta pour for the Pouring in Harmony group. Wasn't real happy with the last one, so I wanted to give it another go. Welcome to my channel. I hope everybody enjoys the video. I'm going to do my best to describe the colors of paint that I have here. I've actually mixed them up myself, and part of the challenge was to use one color shift paint, so I picked the light red that flashes to aqua. So I am going to let you know what we got. In here we have purple. This purple is made up of a gloss purple from Apple Barrel, and that was mixed with iridescent medium. Master's Touch Violet I've got in there, and also my mix of purple red with iridescent medium. In that purple red that I make, I have Master's Touch Crimson, Master's Touch Violet, and Master's Touch Purple. So that's the purple. The reddish color that I have here is Master's Touch Red Ochre, Master's Touch Brown, very little. My mix of peach red, which I don't really, that's what I had named it at the time I made it, but I don't really have all the ingredients of what I put into that, or all the paint colors. Also some gold mica that was mixed with Floetrol. Now, the dark brown is Master's Touch Burnt Umber and a hint of Master's Touch Red Ochre. And then in the tan color, I have my mix, which is of chocolate, a very light chocolate color, a medium brown, and a sand color. And then this pretty orangey color is my mix of warm orange. I call it warm orange, and the warm orange has in it, what I used to make the warm orange was Master's Touch Yellow Medium, Master's Touch Permanent Red, and in here there is also my mix of the peach red and some gold mica. And last but not least, the yellow. I have Liquitex Basic Bronze Yellow, Master's Touch Yellow Ochre, the Gold Mica Powder mixed with Floetrol, and a hint of Master's Touch Black, and I mean a very little hint. And then I'm going to be using the Folk Art Color Shift Paint, the red that flashes to aqua. So I've got a canvas that I had used prior and wasn't happy with it, so I covered it and I put the texture on it. It's all taped up. Got push pins in it. I've got this ready, but first I think I'm going to layer my cup. First thing I'm going to put in is this red. I'm going to put it right on the bottom. Right like that. Shift. Now what I'm going to put in is the yellow, and I'm going to put it right down the side. And then the brown. And then the orange. And then the tan. Actually, I'm going to do the tan on this side. Right there. And then the reddish brown. And then the purple. Now I'm going to go back to this side. I'm not going to put any more of that color flash in there. I'm going to put some more yellow. The darker brown. pretty tangerine orange. And I'm going to switch. I'm going to the tan over here. And this reddish brown right here. And purple. Now I know I have plenty of paint in here, I'm sure. Now what we're going to do, here's the cup. And now I'm going to just pour in a circle around the outer side, just like this. There we go. Alright, so let's give it a torch. Alrighty. And I'm just going to start moving it around slowly. I know I will probably lose my strainer look again. I can already tell by looking at it. Who knows? Who knows how it will come out until we get it done. Alright, so right now I'm not too sure about it. Trying to keep it on the canvas for now. Bring it back a little. I'm going to go this way. Let's see. Where do we go? Like this. And down there. Got a zigzaggedy mess. Don't know, we'll find out in a minute. Again, I'm not keeping my strainer, and I thought I had them plenty thick enough, but I just can't seem to do a strainer very well lately. I'm not sure why. So I'm just going to go ahead and let it roll off the edges. Another one. Here we go. Really wacky colors in here we got. Come on, all around. All around. That's right. There we go. It's sort of pretty. It's different for sure. It's actually sort of pretty. I think I might have a few too many colors in there. See if I can get it back to the middle. It's really crazy looking, isn't it? Well, that was the middle, but it's way over to the one side. It's okay though. I'm just going to keep dumping off until I see something I like. I like it. Just I really like that purple in there. So, I don't know. Really pretty, yet crazy looking. Let's get some of that bottom color off. I'm liking this up here better. I'm not sure why, but I do. So let's just dump that off down there and see what we end up with. Definitely liking the purples, but I'm a purple type of a person for sure. So, not happy as far as the strainer pour goes. Definitely not a strainer. Couldn't tell it was a strainer at all by looking at it now, for sure. Alright, let's see what happens if we bring it back this way again. See what we get. It's actually quite pretty, I gotta say. Huh. Very, very pretty. Really, I like it a lot. Of course, it's probably just me. Definitely one to embellish, I'm sure. It will look really pretty if I embellished it. Alright, so I think that's it. I think I'm going to leave it just like that. See if you can see it okay. It looks pretty to me. So let me know what you think, even though it doesn't look like a strainer pour. It's still quite pretty. I'm loving all the purples in there. And I think next time I just won't put quite as much different colors. And maybe still have to make it even thicker yet. So, I don't know how that, you can see the color shift throughout. So you never know how that might come out once it's dry. So there we have it. It's very pretty. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Don't forget to like and share. And stay tuned for future videos. Thank you for joining me. God bless, be safe, and be happy. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.